Now let's talk about the modes of mechanical ventilation. Modes of mechanical ventilation describe the pattern of breath delivery to a patient. Ventilator modes indicates the types of breath being delivered and how the breaths are triggered, controlled and cycled. The following are the modes of MV. One is volume modes, then pressure modes and then dual modes. One by one we will discuss this. First is volume modes. This mode works by delivering a set tidal volume. This mode includes assist control ventilation or CMV and synchronized intermittent mandatory ventilation. AC ventilation initiated by the patient or by the ventilator. In this mode, the patient makes an effort to breathe while the mechanical ventilation assists by delivering a necessary mechanical breath. And remember, AC is contraindicated for a patient who breathes rapidly because it may result in lung hyperinflation. The next is SIMV. It detects the patient inspiratory effort and delivers a mandatory number of breaths with a set volume. For instance, if the set rate is 12 breaths per minute, the MV will provide 12 mandatory breaths in 1 minute, while also allowing the patient to take spontaneous breaths between the mandatory breaths. Now, the next is pressure mode. This mode works by delivering a set pressure. These are some pressure mode. One by one we will discuss this mode. First is pressure control ventilation. PCV generates the preset pressure during a preset inspiratory time at the preset respiratory rate. In this mode, ventilator provides constant pressure during patient inhalation. Next is pressure support ventilation. PSV is a spontaneous mode of ventilation. In this mode, the patient initiates every breath and the ventilator delivers support with the preset pressure value. And with support from the ventilator, the patient also regulates his own respiratory rate and tidal volume. Now, pressure control inverse ratio ventilator. In this mode, the operator sets the time of inspiration to be longer than expiration. PCIRV recommended for patients with ARDS. Next is airway pressure release ventilation. This unique mode of ventilation allows the patient to spontaneously ventilate at both low and high pressure, and it's recommended for ARDS patient. And last is dual modes. This mode works by allowing to set the volume and pressure. Pressure regulate volume control is a dual mode.